Hey guys, it's Haley. I'm going to be showing you how to make soy chorizo tacos. You'll need some soy chorizo. This is my favorite brand. You'll need some cilantro, a small red onion or half of a large one, some corn tortillas, and some toppings. I'm using green taco sauce and nopales. You'll want to preheat an oiled pan to medium heat. Then you'll want to dice your red onion. This is the easiest way for me to dice my red onion personally, is cut it into strips, cut it in half twice, and then from there cut it into strips. Makes a nice diced onion. Then you'll want to take the red onion and put it into the preheated pan. Basically, you just want to cook these onions down a little bit before we add the Soyrizo, as it adds flavor to the Soyrizo. Make sure you stir them around so they don't burn in the bottom of the pan. And we'll want to get our Soyrizo out, so struggle to open the packaging. You'll just want to make a little circle in the middle of the pan and squeeze the Soyrizo out of the tube. And then once you've done that, you'll just want to mix the onion and the Soyrizo together, just incorporate it so that it can all cook together and meld the flavors together. Now we're going to take our cilantro and we're going to pick off some leaves from the stalks. I want to put it into a mesh strainer. Give that cilantro a rinse. Then from there, just give it a rough chop. This is just going to be, for the topping. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just gotta chop it up. Alright, and then we're going to prepare our corn tortillas. I use a cloth rag and then I wet it. Then you'll want to layer the corn tortillas in the towel and make sure it's all covered. You want to put it into the microwave for 30 seconds. This steams the corn tortillas and makes them soft. Alright, so now our Soyrizo is done. It's been cooking for about 8 minutes. We're going to start putting our tortillas and tacos together. So you just want to get those on a plate. Fill the tortilla to your liking. And then just add toppings. It occurred to me as I was editing this that I should have probably put the cilantro on top. However, I put it on the bottom. I guess it doesn't really matter. It just matters as far as presentation, I suppose. They were delicious anyway. Then yeah, just put the cactus on. The jarred cactus is pretty good. It's kind of pickled, and they're a little spicy. It has some serrano pepper. And this taco sauce is just my personal favorite, so on it goes. But you could also put pico de gallo, guacamole, anything like that. And then just a fresh lime squeeze on the top. After that lime, your tacos are complete. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.